अतुलित बलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं धनुजवन कृशानं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यम् सकल गुण निधानं वानराणामधीशम् रघुपति प्रिय भक्तं वातजातं नमामि. Tonight, devotees, we surrender once again to the divine blessings of Hanumanji. As we surrender to this incarnation of bliss, this incarnation of strength and courage, He who crosses the oceans of life and reminds us to always stay focused, be determined, and do not ever give up in any way. To that beautiful Lord, O Hanumanji, tonight we sing your praises and we ask of you for your continuous guidance and blessings. And may our life as well be overcome by wisdom, knowledge, and your grace. Om Anjana Nandanam Veeram Janaki Shokanashanam Kapishamakshahantaram Vande Lanka Bhayankaram Manujavam Marutulya Vegam Jitendriyam Buddhirmatam Varishtam Vatatmajam Vanarayotyamukam Shri Ramadutam Sharanam Prapatye. Yatra yatra Raghunatha Kirtanam Tatra tatra Kritva Mastakanjalam Vashpavari Paripurnalochanam Maruti Namatarakshashantakam. Everybody, let's all pray together. Tvameva Mata cha Pita Tvameva Tvameva Vidya Dravinam Tvameva Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva. Hari Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. बोलिए प्रेम से बोलो पवन सुत हनुमान की जय. Dearest devotees, this evening on behalf of all of our devotees of the Shanti Bhavan Mandir, on behalf of myself, Pandit Manoj, my dear Crystal G, Ashley and Kiran. This evening we're coming live into your home to simply spend a few moments of devotion. All we ask of you is to sit back, log on, hit that share button, and just join with us in singing the beautiful praises of God. We're living in some difficult times, and we all need the blessings and inspiration of God. And whatever we're doing here tonight is simply to bring some kind of light, some kind of hope into our hearts. Let's all sing together the beautiful praises of Hanumanji. 40 verses. When we look at different religions, we see this 40th day being a day where devotees would fast and dedicate themselves towards upliftment and betterment in their lives. In the Christian faith, we have the 40 days fasting. In our Sanatan Dharma as well, we have this fasting as well, when we plant holy and all these things. And we must understand that these 40 verses reminds us that every day is unique and it is special. And we must not take life or any given moment for granted. Hence tonight we surrender to the Hanuman Chalisa. 40 beautiful verses which describes the glories of life. Let's all sing together. Shri Guru Charan Saroj Raj Nij Man Mukura Sudhar Varno Raghuvar Vimal Jaso Jodayak Phal Char. सियापति रामचंद्र की जय शरणम शंकर हरि ओम जय 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 श्री राम. जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर
जय कपि सतगुरु सागर
रामदूत अतुलित बलधामा
अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत
कार्तिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा यम कुबेर दिक्पाल जहाते उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीन्हा तुम्हरो मंत्र विभीषण माना युग सहस्र योजन पर भानु प्रभु मुद्रिका मेरी मुख माही दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी शरणा आपन तेज संहारो आपे भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे न सह रोग हरै सब पीड़ा संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे चारों युग प्रताप तुम्हारा साधु संत के तुम रखवारे अष्ट सिद्धि नव निधि के दाता राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा तुम्हारी भजन राम को पावे अंत काल रघुपति पुर जाई और देवता चित ना धरेगी संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई जो सतबार पाठ कर कोई छूटै बंदी महासुख होई जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा ओहि सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा तुलसीदास सदा हरि प्रिया की जयनाथ हृदय महादेवा सुरभूपस्यात् पति रामचंद्र की जय शरणम प्रभु। बोलिए प्रेम से बोलो श्री महावीर स्वामी की जय। Imagine if we can only learn this Chalisa alone. Imagine what we would have accomplished in this world in which we live. And I want to commend those of our parents, mothers and fathers. I want to commend my wife, Ravina ji, who's been spending a lot of time trying to teach the children the Hanuman Chalisa. And she's been doing an exceptional job with them. And I do encourage all of our parents as well, fathers and mothers, all. Spend more time with your children and teach them the richness and the values of our culture, Satya Sanatan Vedic Dharma. This evening we're going to sing some most beautiful bhajans for each and every one of us to help us during these most difficult times that we are going through. Listen to the words of Mother Teresa. She said, spread love everywhere you go. Let no one ever come to you without leaving happier. So says the beautiful Mother Teresa. Remember, O devotees, our mind is like a mirror. And when you look within this mirror, you see a reflection of your life. O man, do not at all give way to negativities within the regions of the mind. It has good qualities and it has bad. Which one would we rather? Tora man darpan kehlai, Tora man darpan kehlai, Tora बुरे सारे कर्मों को देखे और दिखाए, तोरा
मन दर्पण कहलाए, तोरा मन दर्पण
मन ही देवता मन ही ईश्वर, मन से बड़ा न कोई।
मन ही देवता मन ही ईश्वर, मन से बड़ा न कोई।
मन उजियारा जब जब फैली, मन उजियारा जग उजियारा हो,
जग उजियारा हो।
इस उजले दर्पण पर प्राणी,
इस उजले दर्पण पर प्राणी,
धूल न जमने पाए, तोरा
मन दर्पण कहलाए, तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए। सबका
मन से कोई बात छुपे ना,
मन से कोई बात छुपे ना,
मन के नैन हजार,
मन की नैन हजार।
जग से चाहे भाग न कोई,
जग से चाहे पागल कोई,
मन से भाग न पाए तोरा,
मन दर्पण कहलाए तोरा, मन दर्पण कहलाए।
भरे बुरे सारे कर्मों को
भले बुरे सारे कर्मों को
देखे और दिखाए तोरा,
मन दर्पण कहलाए तोरा, मन दर्पण कहलाए।
तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए। मन ही देवता, मन ही ईश्वर। Mind, the mind is God. मन से बड़ा ना कोई. There is nothing greater, more powerful than the mind. Control it, O man, and realize that the mind is an embodiment of God. At this time, I'll ask our dear Crystal G to make her rendition, and as she's getting prepared, Franklin D. Roosevelt so beautifully says, when you reach the end of your rope, tie a knot in it and hang on, for there are brighter days ahead, O man. Wow, thank you so much, Crystal G. And I'm sure those of our listeners would have enjoyed that beautiful voice and that beautiful song dedicated to Bhagavan Krishna. You know, like Krishna, we should also be like him. We are all gods. We are all gods and goddesses. But we have forgotten that we are sparks of that Krishna. And you know why? Because wherever Krishna would go, everyone would flock to get a glimpse of him, just to be around him. And with that being said, Ralph Waldo Emerson says, "Do not go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail." That wherever you go, whatever you do, let everyone always want to follow in your footsteps. I want to dedicate this beautiful song, this bhajan, to all the birthday celebrants in this coming week or so. Our dear Shardaji, the wife of Pandit Mohan. Our dear Uncle Ramu is celebrating his birthday. Rick Hiralal is celebrating his birthday. Our dear Sandhya is celebrating her birthday. Mataji Siloch, this is my wife's grandmother, celebrating her birthday. Our dear Mukesh ji will be celebrating his birthday, and Neema ji will be celebrating her birthday. To all the birthday celebrants, we want to say happy birthday to all. Remember, we always say happy birthday to the person, but we always forget their parents. For without them, there would be no birth. And I'm sure you know this song quite well. Please sing along with us. ये तो सच है कि भगवान है मगर फिर भी अनजान है। धरती पे रूप माँ बाप का, उस विधाता की पहचान है। ये तो सच है कि भगवान है, ये मगर फिर भी अनजान है। धरती पे रूप माँ बाप का, उस विधाता की पहचान है। ये तो सच है कि भगवान है। जन्म जाता है जो नाम जिनसे मिला, काम उंगली है बचपन चला। कांधे पर बैठ के जिनके देखा जहां, ज्ञान जिनसे मिला क्या बुरा क्या भला। इतने उपकार है क्या कहे, ये बताना ना आसान है। धरती पे रूप माँ बाप का, उस विधाता की पहचान है।
ये तो सच है कि भगवान है।
जन्म देती है जो माँ जिसके कहे, अपनी संतान में प्राण जिसके लगे। लोरियों होठ पर सपने बूंदी नजर, जो बाग दे हंस के हर दुख सहे। ममता के रूप में है प्रभु, आपसे पाय वरदान है। धरती पे रूप माँ बाप का, उस विधाता की पहचान है।
ये तो सच है कि भगवान है।
मगर फिर भी अनजान है।
धरती पे रूप माँ बाप का, उसकी दाता की पहचान है। ये तो सच है कि भगवान है।
Always remember, God comes in the form of our parents. Love them, adore them, and always remember that you have come from great parents. Over now to our dear Crystal Ji as she prepares her next contribution. Always remember, the great Albert Einstein says, try not to become a man of success, rather become a man of value.
कान्हा
devotee feels, when the devotee calls out on Sham, Mohit Chakar, that your servant, your devotee is calling upon you, O Krishna. Why are you hiding? Why don't you come and rescue us from all the dilemmas of life? O devotees, continue to be strong, continue to have faith, and get ready to endure. Surrender to God and adhere to His teachings. I want to dedicate this one especially to all those who have lost a loved one. Recently we had the death of the father of Devika Subhai from Canada. To the Subhai family, we want to offer deepest condolence and our sympathy to that entire family. The mother of our dear Uncle Kenneth Durga Prasad from Canada also. This is the mother-in-law of Auntie Drew. We want to offer deepest condolences, prayers to the entire family as well on the loss of your mom. And recently we lost Shriman Haridat Singh, leaving behind his wife Mataji Camille and their beautiful daughter Bria. This is also the brother-in-law of our dear Auntie Joyce and Dulles. To that beautiful family, we want to offer our prayers. Those who have passed on, it is like when Ram leaves Ayodhya, when there is no more life, and the light of Ayodhya, the light of your family, has slowly diminished. Please sing with me. This is an old-time song. नाम तुम्हारा हम रटते हैं, मान भक्त का तुम रखते हो। आज बिचाए सुहाग सती का, मेरा वचन निभा सकते हो। ओ राजा राम, राजा राम, राजा राम, राजा राजा राम राम, ओ आजा राम। कहाँ छुपे हो राजा राम, राजा राम, दीपक बुझा जला जा राम। दीपक बुझा जला जा राम।
दीपक बुझा जला जा राम।
नर नारी से है संसार, एक बिना दूजा बेकार। नर नारी से है संसार, एक बिना दूजा बेकार। पति उस पार सती उस पार, पति उस पार सती उस पार। कैसे पार करे मझधार, छूटा साथ मिला जा राम, मिला जा राम।
दीपक बुझा जला जरा, हो राजा राम, राजा राम। दीपक बुझा जला जरा,
दीपक बुझा जला जा राम।
दीपक बुझा जला जरा।
रोके इन्हें नहीं जाने दो अपने, अपने घर को फिर आने दो। रोको इन्हें नहीं जाने दो, अपने घर को फिर आने दो। 2 दिन तो तुम इतलाने दो, 2 दिन तो तुम इतलाने दो। तेरी दया पर इतलाने दो, मेरा वचन निभा जा राम।
दीपक बुझा जला जरा,
हो आजा राम।
दीपक बुझा जला जरा,
दीपक बुझा
जला जरा,
दीपक बुझा।
जला जरा।
It is like when that light is diminished from your family, continue to be strong and realize that the memories will shine forever. To all the souls who have passed on, our prayers are with each and every one of you. While Crystal Ji gets her next bhajan prepared, I want to share this with you. The words of Abraham Lincoln. He says, in the end, it is not the years in your life that count. It's the life in your years.
जीनी रे जीनी, जीनी रे जीनी, हे राम नाम
So beautifully done, reminding us of importance of life, importance of this body. It is very fragile, it is very unique, and it is not easily gotten, my dear brothers and sisters. Now that we have gotten it, enjoy every moment of it. And it is protected through the name of Ram. So always remember that. Ram is the outer skirt of this body, protecting it. All we have to do is to be Ram conscious. The best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. So says Helen Keller. This song I want to dedicate to a very special couple in my life or our family's life, and this is Shriman Ivan and Mataji Sandy. They're celebrating their wedding anniversary, and I want to dedicate this special song to both of you. May the love continue to grow every moment, every second of your lives together. I'm sure you remember this one. It's an old-time song, and the song simply says, why panic? We will be together forever. Even if you would leave me physically and go, the memories will always live on. And to those of you who are celebrating anniversaries out there, we want to wish all of you a happy anniversary also. Sham dhali aur nikle hain taare, aaja re nadiya kinare, तुझ बिन अकेली जी ना सकेंगे, रो रो मरेंगे, नैनों हमारी। ओ मेरे हमराही, क्यों तेरा मन घबराए, अब ये साथ न छूटेगा, चाहे जग बेरी हो जाए। ओ मेरी हमराही, क्यों तेरा मन घबराए, अब ये साथ न छूटेगा, चाहे जग बेरी हो जाए। ओ मेरे हमराही, जीवन के अंधियारों में मैं दीपक और तू ज्योति, जीवन के अंधियारों में मैं दीपक और तू ज्योति, युग युग सह संग हमारा, युग युग सह संग में जैसे मोती। ओ मेरी हमराही, क्यों तेरा मन घबराए, अब ये साथ संसार रहेगा, मेरा तुझसे प्यार रहेगा। जब तक संसार रहेगा, मेरा तुझसे प्यार रहेगा। हर जन्म जन्म मुझ तेरा, हर जन्म में मुझको तेरा, इंतहारी कहेगा। ओ मेरी हमराही, तू तेरा मन घबराए। ओ मेरी हमराही, ओ मेरी हमराही, ओ मेरी हमराही। The beautiful song of yesteryears still feels so fresh today when we hear them or we sing them. Congratulations to both Uncle Ivan and Auntie Sandy. I'd like to ask Christoji to sing one more, and then right after that we'll conclude with the Hanuman Chalisa once again and our closing prayers for tonight. Devotees, once again, on behalf of all of our members of our Mandira devotees, we want to say Sitaram, a pranam to all of you, a special evening, a special good night, salam. And we do hope and pray that all of you are staying safe. I know it's been very, very difficult for all of us, but nevertheless, we have to find somewhere to make a living. We have to go out there. We have to face the world, but do so wisely and do so with intelligence. Remember, Hanumanji was reminded, Pavana tanaya bala pavana samana buddhi vivek vigyana nidhana. We must use intelligence. We must be smart. We must be aware. We must be careful. Use discretion. Use spirituality. And listen to the news from our leaders of the world. Be safe and continue to remember, life is like a camera. Just focus on what's important and capture the good times. Develop from the negatives. And if things don't work out, just take another shot. Over now to Crystal G. May the blessings of Krishna Kadhaiya be with each and every one of us tonight as we conclude devotees. Once again, on behalf of myself, Crystal G, Ashley and Kiran, we want to say thank you for joining us tonight. Sing with us one more time the Shri Hanuman Chalisa. And if God cannot help us, then I leave you with this question tonight. Tell me, who can? Shri Guru Charana Saroj Raj Nij Man Mukur Sudhar Barno Raghuvar Vimala Jaso Jodayak Bhag
बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरो क्लेश विकार
जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीश तिहु लोक महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निहार सुमति के संगी और राम द्वारे तुम रखवारे, होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे। आपन तेज संहारो आपे, तीनों लोक हाथ के कापे। नाशे रोग हरै सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। युग प्रताप तुम्हारा है, परिसिद्धि जगत उजियारा। अष्ट सिद्धि नव निधि के दाता, असवर दीन जानकी माता। भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे। और देवता चित्त न धरहि, हनुमत से सर्व सुख करहि। Everybody together. पावन तनय संकट हरण,
मंगल मूर्ति रूप, राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसु सुरभूप।
सियापति रामचंद्र की जय, शरणम प्रभु। बोलिए प्रेम सुनो, महावीर स्वामी की जय। Devotees, tonight, once again, we do thank each and every one of you for logging in and joining us in our satsang. And we do hope and pray that you enjoyed it some way or the other, and it brought some kind of peace and solace to your hearts. Please join us again on Sunday morning, 7 a.m. That is Pacific time, 9 a.m. Central time, and 10 a.m. Eastern time, where our dear Pandit Deepak Ji will be going live in satsang. As we conclude tonight, may each and every one of us go to sleep sound as ever, with the blessings and the consciousness of Lord Shiva. Om Kar Charan Kritam Va Kayajam Karmajam Va Shravanajam Va Manasam Va Paradham Vihitam Avihitam Va Sarvametat Kshamasva Jai Jai Karunadhi श्री महादेव शंभो। All of us. कर्पूर गौरम करुणावतारम
संसार सारम भुजगेन्द्रहारम
सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे
भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि।
ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम्
उर्वारुकमेव वन्दना मृत्योर्मुक्षयममृता।
ॐ नमः शिवाय। ॐ नमः शिवाय। ॐ नमः शिवाय। हरि ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। प्रेम से बोलो शिव शंकर भगवान की जय। प्रेम से बोलो महावीर स्वामी की जय। प्रेम से बोलो श्री सत्य सनातन धर्म की सब संतन की जय जय। सीता राम।